Acting upon a specific information, Goa Cyber Crime Police on the intervening night of 13th and 14th April conducted a raid on a rented premise at Karmali. Cyber Crime Police in that raid has busted fake call center racket and has arrested 7 accused persons. 3 accused are from Maharashtra and 4 accused are from Gujarat. It is suspected that these accused persons were running this fake call center for last 1 month. They were targeting mainly American nationals and they were impersonating as the agents of a company named Payday, and they were cheating the victims on pretext of providing short loan and quick money. But on the pretext of providing loan, they were cheating those innocent persons in the terms of huge amount as a gift cards. The cybercrime police has initiated the investigation to identify the victim American nationals and to estimate that how much amount this fraudster gang has cheated from the victims. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.